Heavymade, your new favorite Hanz De Fuko? Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review, a review of Hanz De Fuko's Heavymade. Now this is the newest of the styling products from Hanz De Fuko. You'll know that throughout the time I've been on YouTube, I've spoken about Hanz De Fuko products before. I've said, you know, some of my favorites, claymation, some of my sort of ones that I'm not such a fan of, like the Scheme Cream, the Quicksand. I can kind of take them or leave them. But I know that there's still a little bit, not nearly as much, of an appetite for Hanz De Fuko, so I really wanted to give this one a go. Now, this one says extreme hold and high shine. So I was interested to see how it would fare with my new classic cut. In terms of the packaging, it's no surprise. It looks like every other Hanz De Fuko product, the sort of plastic tin with the silver hardware on top. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I think it sits really quite nicely with other products. It's inoffensive and it's fine. In terms of smell, another aesthetic which I'm never too bothered about, it smells like lemon. It's got sort of lemon extract, stuff that smells like lemon in here. But again, once it's in your hair, you generally cannot smell it. In terms of ingredients, it's exactly what we'd expect from a water-based pomade. You've got water at the top, then various other man-made but contain certified organic extracts products. So essentially, you know, Hanz De Fuko always says certified organic extracts, but really, in 2018, what does that really mean? On their website, it says the ultimate water-based pomade that goes on clean and heavy, allowing you to manipulate your hair any way you please. And we can actually see that in terms of the consistency. Now, as with a lot of water-based pomades, it's almost, well, it is really like a hard gel, something that is like jelly, easy to scoop out and get into the hands. Now, if you know hybridized wax by Hanz De Fuko, then it is the closest to that. But actually, this one is slightly thicker, and that translates into the application. Now, the application actually is really very easy. There is the tiniest bit of tug, but with these sort of products, I do quite like that. I often find that reassuring that it should give us a good hold. Then into styling, just the usual sort of style that I always do. This one right here, pushed back with a side part in. I think for this actually, this is the kind of style you want to be doing. It's not about big volume, it's not about height, it's not about texture, but it's about smooth, glossy styles. And you'll see that in the finish actually. It does have a high shine. The hold of this product is immense. I was so surprised and pleased. It goes in, it stays in, your hair does not move, even with that hairspray. And actually, I had a shoot day where I had my picture taken. I was doing Instagram images for a campaign that I was doing. And I was in a hotel for the morning, I was moving my hair around, I was changing it up, and actually my hair just popped right back into place. I'll put the images, so they're up already so you can see them. And I was so pleased, and for me, that's something that I really find. Now, if you think back to the really quick review I did on Tuesday with the Osmo product, this is a product which I think could learn a lot from this one. It wants to be high shine, it wants to be malleable, it wants to give you hold, but really you get fluffy hair. With this one, it really does stay. Now, although it stays, in terms of washability, it washes out absolutely no bother. Actually, when I was playing around with it again this morning in here, went to go and wash my hands and it came off. No stickiness, nothing, no need for soap, for shampoo, it really does come off. Now, looking at price and comparison, it's the standard Hanz De Fuko price. Now, I have looked online and I found the best prices for you. I will link them as ever down below in the description below. It's the standard sort of £16 around about that Hanz De Fuko price, which I always think of as sort of mid-market. You know, it's not cheap, but it's not that super expensive sort of 20 plus. Again, guys, I have said about the comparison, you know, even looking at that Osmo one, which is half the price, but this is like twice plus more better. Also, you know, the hybridized wax by Hanz De Fuko, I found went in, it stayed, but it didn't have nearly as good a hold as this one. I would say if you like the hybridized wax, you will love this. This is so good. And also, it's not like that sort of water-based products that do dry out and lose their shine. You can see, you know, this has been in my hair for a few hours now and it's it's holding, there's no hairspray, and it's still got the shine. I actually have to say, you know, say whatever you want about Hanz De Fuko, not all the products are great, they're not all for everyone. They're great at marketing and they've really sort of nailed that, but this product really is very good and I would totally recommend it. You know, it is a product that I'm going to keep in the top drawer at home that I go to if I want this sort of style, because it really suits me and sort of what I want to do with my hair at the moment, and the fact that it washes out after having that great hold, I just think is really very good. So I'm very impressed and I'm fully recommending this one. So thank you very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. If you've got any other products you want me to review, I've got loads of products, I don't know if you can see in here, and there's so many that I'm going to get through. I will be doing the Monarch paste by Blue Man, that will be coming really soon. There's more Hanz De Fuko products which I've got and I want to try. There's also various other brands that are set and ready to go, and Brand Battle is back. I've got a date, I will be announcing that really soon. It is coming back, I'm just sorting out everything. But thank you very much. If you're new to my channel and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do that to phone. Press subscribe right now. The button is there. There's also more video suggestions down there. There's a link to my blog, it's there. My podcast and my Instagram are there. I've got to get the phone. Bye-bye.